Understanding the phrase, putty in their hands. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or everyday conversations, putty in their hands. Understanding idiomatic expressions like this one can greatly enrich your language skills, so let's get started. The phrase, putty in their hands, is a vivid idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone can be easily influenced or manipulated by another person. Think of putty, the soft, malleable material used in various applications. Just as putty can be shaped in any way with little effort, a person described as putty in someone's hands is seen as being similarly pliable or easily swayed. While the exact origin of putty in their hands might not be clear, it's easy to see how the characteristics of putty could lead to this metaphor. Putty's adaptability and how it can be shaped by external forces mirror the way the phrase is used to describe someone's influence over another. It's a powerful image that perfectly captures the essence of manipulation or control in a relatable way. To better understand how to use putty in their hands, let's look at a few examples. As soon as she starts praising him, he's putty in her hands. This means that the person becomes highly susceptible to influence through praise. The con artist found his mark, and before long, the poor guy was putty in his hands. Here, it indicates that the con artist was able to easily manipulate his target. When using the phrase, putty in their hands, it's important to remember that it usually implies a lack of resistance or the ease with which someone can be controlled. It's often used in situations where there's a clear power dynamic at play. Whether in writing or speech, using this idiom can add a layer of vivid description to your narrative. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, putty in their hands. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you insight into the nuanced ways English can express complex relationships and dynamics. Remember, understanding idioms is a key part of mastering the language, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.